Hi, this is Badranandi Party. Today, I'd like to, for freshers and job seekers, is very important about self-introduction. Self-introduction. The question is like that: what about yourself? Talk about yourself. But why this question is asked by the HR or recruiter? Because of that already you have given your details on resume or curriculum vitae. Why this question is again asked by the HR? Self-introduction is that to know about you, to assess your behavior and attitude, and to know about your body language. Body language, right? I will told you in the previous video. In the description, I provided its link. Please watch it about body language. So self-introduction is very, very important, just to know about yourself, to check your communication skills, and to assess you whether you are eligible or not for the job. The self-introduction is that to be given within 30 seconds or 1 minute. So while speaking about yourself, okay, just you maintain body language. At the same time, don't say false, just to give genuine facts, genuine sentences, because of remaining questions are prepared based on your self-introduction. So self-introduction is nothing but is a marketing, and that your vendor just sell your talent for high price to the recruiter. You are selling your talent for high price to the recruiter. So beware when you talk about yourself, which decides whether selection or rejection. So in the self-introduction, the first point, that talk like this. First, when you enter into the HR's room, the HR asks you to sit down, then say, "Thank you, sir," with a smile. "Thank you, sir." The first question is like that, talk about yourself. Don't jump to talk about yourself. Just say, "Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself," with a smile and with a proper sitting posture, with a proper body language. So the first point, that start with your name. Don't say myself. You can start with like this. My name is, add your name. My name is Badranandi Party. And second is, where you are from. I am native of Kakinada. I am native of Vijayawada. I am native of Warangal. So second point, say about where you are from. And third one is highest qualification. What's your highest qualification? For example, I'm a graduate in BSc. I'm a graduate in BCom. Or else I'm a postgraduate in an MBA, MTech, whatever that. Or else you're still studying, right? Just you can say, I'm a graduate in BSc. Presently I'm pursuing an MBA. Presently I'm pursuing an MTech. You can say like that. And third point, that if you have any technical skills, likewise, that I have done C language. I've done Tally. I have enough knowledge in computer, like in MS Office, in Excel. You can add your computer or technical skills. And another point, work experience. If you are a fresher, okay, no need to add any work experience. But it's better to add this point, work experience. "Sorry, sir, I don't have any work experience, but I'm very passionate to work for this company." It's better to impress the HR at this point. "I'm very passionate to work for this company." You try to add this point if you are a fresher. Or else if you have any experience, previous experience, add after technical, technical skills, after this point, technical skills point. And achievement, if you have any achievement, if you have achievement, just add. For example, I am a topper in my class, or else I was secured silver medal in Kabaddi, Karate. If you have achievements, add it. After that, another point, goal. Goal related to the job. For example, your goal is working in a bank sector, but you are attending an interview in different stream. So don't add different goals. The goal must be related to the company, organization. For example, common goal here. So I'd like to work in a good organization where there is a growth for employees who contribute this skill for growth of the company. So I would like to work in a good organization where there is a growth for employees. I would like to work in a good organization. That's our goal. And later, strength or common strengths, that I'm a workaholic, like I'm a hard worker, and I have positive attitude. Maybe the HR, the HR make a question based on your self-introduction. I told you, right? So the question is like that: what is an positive attitude? What's your attitude? You said, right, you have positive attitude. Tell me, what about positive attitude? You can say, be ready, whatever the question based on the self-introduction, be ready in interview. So prepare, give facts, don't say lies, because of every question is prepared based on self-introduction. So attitude. For example, sir, as I said, I have positive attitude. For example, in flow, in job location, I think my team leader, my manager misunderstands me, he scolds me. So immediately I don't show my anger. I try to understand my boss. I try to understand from his perspective, because of he maintains many employees, right? I'm one of the employees. Just I gives time to him to understand me. Definitely on someday definitely can understand. So instead of showing angry, I try to understand my boss. I let him know what I have done. What mistake I've done. Definitely I try to meet him privately, and I try to give my explanation, and I try to know about my mistake. If I make mistake, definitely I will say I don't repeat again. So in the way you say I have positive attitude, sir, I don't show any emotions in my flow and before my my TL or manager. So you can say about a positive attitude. And after that, that family background, that why family background, why you should say about family background. So the HR wants to know about your financial background. So for example, my father is an employee, so and so. Just talk about your father profession, occupation. Don't add his name and mother name. And my mother is a housewife, and mother is a so and so. I have sibling is studying so and so. And this is about mine, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. With a smile, you can conclude about yourself. Talk about yourself. So first, your name, native, where are you from, and highest qualification, technical skills, and achievements and goals, your strength, and about your family. So remember, every question is being prepared based on your self-introduction. Self-introduction is nothing but marketing your vendor to bid your talent for high cost. So prepare well. My suggestion is practice mock interviews before attending an interview with your friends. Then you can say about yourself eloquently. And communication is very important. Don't repeat, don't have any grammatical mistakes while speaking about yourself. Where to use am, is, are, where to use was and were, you must aware. Okay, don't say my mother was a housewife. That was wrong. My mother is a housewife. Don't use unnecessarily was or were in self-introduction when you talk about yourself, because of self-introduction decides your career. So prepare in front of mirror with your friends. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. This is Badra.